How to watch members-only videos on YouTube, 2026 guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch members-only videos on YouTube step by step. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app or website and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 1. Find a members-only video. Go to a creator's channel and open a video marked as members-only. When you try to play it, you'll see a message saying the content is restricted to members. Step 2. Check membership tiers. Below the video, tap on the Join button. Here you'll see different membership tiers with prices and perks. For example, Basic tier, higher tiers with more benefits. Step 3. Choose the right tier. Important: not all tiers unlock every video. Some videos require a specific tier level, so make sure you select the correct one mentioned by the creator. Step 4. Join the channel. Click Join, complete the payment, and become a member. Once your membership is active, go back to the video. Step 5. Watch the video. Now you'll be able to play and watch the members-only content without restrictions. Important note: there is no free or bypass method to watch members-only videos. You must join the channel to access this content. And that's it.